Hello, I'm Shawnee Hinman. I'm a liaison officer working on the Cameron Peak Fire. Today I want to talk to you about fire suppression repair on private land in Larimer County. What is suppression repair? Suppression repair repairs activities that was caused by the firefighters when they were in suppression mode fighting the fire. And so what we want to do is connect you with the county to get your permission, either yes or no, if you do or do not want that repair work to be done. In this post, there'll be a link to that county website. On the site, there's a form. You can go in the form and fill out your information and check yes or check no, and that gives us an idea if you do or do not want us to move forward with that repair work. So there's a deadline. It's Wednesday, November 11th, end of day. So please go on that site as soon as possible, but by no later than the end of day on Wednesday, November 11th. I really appreciate your time, and we want to make sure we can get as much information to our operations staff as possible so they can make a plan moving forward. Thank you.